Hello and welcome to a new video from miasyummyworld. This easy recipe is a 3 ingredients custard sweet or custard halwa, so quick and easy to make and is truly delicious and delicate. Take 150 grams of custard powder into a bowl and mix to a runny paste without lumps with 250 ml of water. Keep this aside and in a thick bottom pan, take 300 grams sugar and 500 ml water and boil to dissolve the sugar. When the sugar has fully dissolved, add the custard liquid to the pan and stir until everything is well combined. The mixture will start to thicken. Ensure that the flame is always kept on low and keep stirring. At this point, you can add dry fruits or chopped nuts if you like. I'm adding chopped almonds just to give the sweet a bit of crunch. Now we'll need to add 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. You can also use unsalted butter, but you will need 3 tablespoons of it. Add 1 tablespoon at a time and combine well. Slowly you can see that the sweet is starting to come off the pan. After adding the 3rd tablespoon of butter or ghee, turn off the flame and let the sweet cool to room temperature in the pan. Leave the sweet in this pan to cool to room temperature, but give it a little stir every now and then. Then add chopped nuts, I'm using almonds here, into a pudding tray and spread the sweet mix on top of it. Now level the top and leave to set for 2 to 3 hours. When the sweet has fully set, invert it into a plate like this and slice the cubes. The sweet is so simple to make and is really delicious. All you need is 3 simple home ingredients. I really hope you like this video. Please do give it a try and see you soon with another easy recipe from miasyummyworld. Until then, take care and enjoy life.